welcome everyone to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Alright guys, today I have a long overdue haul for you guys. And I've been wanting, I'm upstairs. I wanted to share this haul for a while now, but my printer went ugh on me. And yeah, so that thing wanted to be dropped, kicked down the stairs, and then picked up and thrown in the East River. Okay. Alrighty. So I finally, thank you, gotta give a huge shout out to the hubby, thank you, David San Jose. He's also here, a YouTuber, here on YouTube as well. This is Wild at Hearts. I will link everything down below. I'm trying to remember the name of the kit and the person. Here we go. Because I bought two kits. I bought the PP Weeks and the vertical planner. And this one is cute. Pretty cute planner. And this is the kit. This is how it comes. I'll print it out. I printed out the wrong format. This one I think is for the one of the machines. But anyways. Alrighty guys. So this is what page 1 and 2 looks like, and then this is 3 and 4. So it comes with date dots and all these cute little goodies, right? And here is the PP Weeks. Beautiful kit. Alrighty, so this one is from Pretty Petticoat. Print Petticoat Bandits, sorry. And this is the one called Lavender. As you guys know, I love the scent of lavender. And I love the color of lavender too. So it comes with beautiful boxes. This is, I'm guessing, the top or bottom washi. You could use it as ever as you like. So here is all of the beautiful ladies and more washi. Now we're getting into headers and date dots. Love her kit. Comes up so much. This is what I mean. Like, this is just one kit, guys. And this is the bigger of the kits. And she just recently came out with some more adorable kits that I have to pick up. So yeah, so I'm gonna zoom out here so you guys can get a really nice view of everything. I kind of feel like my printer does not give it justice. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to move more of the paper and less of the camera. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. You get more deco and icons, headers, more bow checklists. I'm thinking you just print it out twice. That's okay. And then these little girls right here, these beautiful lovely ladies. I think these are called little bandits. I forgot what she calls them, but they are absolutely so cute. I love them. And then you got your bill trackers, flights, work, little things. All right, so this one is sorry, I want to get the name. Paper Crown Planner, and these are some brushstroke headers. So they come in a bunch of different colors. You guys, like, what? So if you're anything like me and you use a kit and you run out of, you know, date covers, not headers, date covers, yeah, so that is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. and she provided pink dots. So I like these because you can actually see the faint little line. I wish the line was a little bit more pronounced, but I'll take it. Like, I can deal with that. So when you're cutting them out, it'll be a little bit easier, but that's okay. So yeah, so that's super cute. And she also has I have a little pile on the floor. Let me glitter headers. I think my printer just, I don't know. I don't think my printer did this one justice at all. I'm a little upset about it, but that's okay. I will still use them. I'll figure out something. But my printer did a really great job on the next ones, so you get a bunch of different ones. So like, you get the rainbow, seriously guys. And this is all printed on paper. Oops, sorry. Paper from online printer paper. I don't know if I said that right, but I'll link them down below as well. Yeah, so that is that. Alright guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.